Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Manupatra with your institutional or individual account. This grants full access. Once signed in, choose the modules you need: cases, statutes, notifications, or journals, because searching across the right modules narrows noise. Then set your scope. Pick the jurisdiction, date range, and court level so results are relevant. Make sure to keep an eye on subscription limits and concurrent session restrictions, and proceed to construct your first targeted query using the search bar. Now build a precise query. Use Boolean operators and/or not and group terms with parentheses to control logic. This avoids irrelevant matches. For phrase proximity, use near/3 or adj/2 to catch variations that appear close together. Add field qualifiers like party, judge, or citation to target metadata. Once done, apply filters for subject, headnote, court, and date range to prune results. Make sure to preview snippets to confirm relevance before export. You wrap up by reviewing snippets and opening full text to confirm case relevance. Use headnote links and cited authorities to navigate related material. Export selected documents as PDF or Word, or export citations in bibliography formats. Save the search criteria for alerts. If you hit 0 results, troubleshoot. Broaden keywords, relax proximity, remove restrictive filters, and verify your subscription covers the module or court. If access still fails, contact support and note the exact query and session ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.